Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So in today's video, this is a hair install video featuring, I think it's pronounced Yolissa Hair, I don't know. But right now I'm just doing everything that's inside the box. And y'all, this hair turned out so beautiful, so amazing, and like I'm so obsessed with the color and the curls. Look how pretty it is. So it's a BODYWAVE, so it comes already curled, like exactly how I want it to be curled, and it's bouncy, and it's, look how just beautiful it is. It has tiny knots. It's a 13x6 beautiful ombre color, and literally comes up pre-bleached already, and I think it's pre-plucked, and there's this elastic band at the back. Now I'm just gonna put in foundation just to make the lace tinted a bit more so it can match my skin tone. It's 22 inches, 180 density, and it's BODYWAVE. I think I said that already. I really love how tiny the knots are. Like, look at how it just blends in. You can barely see it. And then when it's on my head, you can't even see it, girl. Literally giving scalp everything. So this is just me marrying the hair. For the rest of the video, I'm just going to be installing it, showing you guys how I install it, and then brushing the hair out. If you're interested, keep watching. If you want the hair, the link is down below. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you make it to the end, I just want to say thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share with someone you know would like this video. Bye.